Welcome to Inspirational Matters YouTube channel. In this video, we'll unlock the secrets of your credit score, covering essential tips and tricks. Stay tuned to learn about the power of 3 digits, what constitutes a good credit score, factors that shape your creditworthiness, strategies for enhancement, actions that can harm your score, the perks of a stellar credit score, and long-term tips for financial success. Don't miss out. I bet you didn't know that a simple 3-digit number holds immense power over your financial life. This seemingly insignificant number, your credit score, can determine your ability to secure loans, rent an apartment, and even land a job. It's like a financial report card that lenders, landlords, and employers use to assess your financial responsibility. Think of it this way: your credit score is a reflection of your financial trustworthiness. A high score suggests you are responsible with borrowing and repaying money, while a low score can raise red flags for potential lenders and creditors. Understanding how credit scores work is crucial for navigating the financial landscape and achieving your financial goals. In essence, a credit score is a numerical representation of your credit worthiness, typically ranging from 300 to 850. It's like a financial fingerprint that summarizes your credit history, giving lenders a glimpse into your past financial behavior. When you borrow money or use credit, your actions are recorded by credit bureaus, which are companies that collect and maintain credit information. These bureaus, such as Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, use sophisticated algorithms to analyze your credit history and generate your credit score. This score then becomes a crucial factor when you apply for loans, credit cards, or other forms of credit. While the range for credit scores is quite broad, generally, a score above 700 is considered good. A score above 750 is often seen as excellent, while scores below 650 may raise concerns for lenders. Remember, a good credit score isn't just about bragging rights. It translates into tangible benefits, such as lower interest rates on loans, better credit card offers, and increased negotiating power with lenders. A higher score signals to lenders that you are a low-risk borrower, making them more likely to offer you favorable terms. Several factors contribute to your credit score, each carrying a different weight in the overall calculation. Understanding these factors can empower you to make informed financial decisions that positively impact your creditworthiness. Payment history. This is the most crucial factor, accounting for a significant portion of your credit score. Consistently making on-time payments for your credit card bills, loans, and utilities demonstrates financial responsibility and boosts your score. Amounts owed. This factor considers the amount of debt you have relative to your available credit. Keeping your credit utilization rate low, ideally below 30%, is essential for maintaining a healthy credit score. Length of credit history. A longer credit history generally reflects positively on your score, as it provides lenders with more data to assess your financial behavior over time. Credit mix. Having a diverse mix of credit such as credit cards, installment loans, and mortgages can demonstrate to lenders that you can manage different types of credit responsibly. New credit. Applying for new credit frequently can temporarily lower your score, as it suggests an increased level of risk. Section 5. Level up your score. Strategies for credit score enhancement. Improving your credit score is an achievable goal that requires patience, discipline, and a strategic approach. Here are some effective ways to boost your creditworthiness. Make timely payments. Set up reminders or utilize auto-pay features to ensure you never miss a payment deadline. Late payments can significantly damage your credit score. Reduce credit utilization. Aim to keep your credit card balances low, ideally below 30% of your available credit limit. Paying down high-interest debt can have a positive impact on your credit utilization rate. Become an authorized user. If you have a trusted friend or family member with good credit, consider asking them to add you as an authorized user on their credit card. This can give your credit score a boost by adding positive payment history to your report. Dispute errors. Regularly review your credit reports for any inaccuracies or errors. Dispute any discrepancies with the credit bureaus to ensure your credit report accurately reflects your financial history. Before we move on, we want to take a moment to thank you for watching our video. If you find this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content to empower you with financial knowledge. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos packed with tips and strategies to improve your financial well-being. Plus, your engagement helps our channel grow, allowing us to reach and help even more people like you. So, hit that subscribe button and join our community of financially savvy viewers. Let's master the rules for financial success together. Section 6. Credit score. Saboteurs' actions that can send your score plummeting. Just as certain actions can elevate your credit score, others can have a detrimental effect. Being aware of these credit score saboteurs is crucial for protecting your creditworthiness. Missed or late payments. Consistently missing payments is a major red flag for lenders and can significantly damage your credit score. Maxing out credit cards, high credit utilization, especially maxing out your credit cards, indicates to lenders that you may be overextended financially. Closing old credit accounts. While it may seem counterintuitive, closing old credit accounts can actually hurt your score by shortening your credit history and potentially increasing your credit utilization rate. Too many hard inquiries. Each time you apply for credit, a hard inquiry is recorded on your report. Too many hard inquiries in a short period can signal to lenders that you may be desperate for credit. Section 7. Reaping the rewards, the perks of having a stellar credit score. A good credit score is more than just a number. It unlocks a world of financial opportunities and advantages. Lower interest rates. Lenders view borrowers with high credit scores as less risky, and they reward them with lower interest rates on loans and credit cards. This can save you thousands of dollars over the life of a loan. Access to better credit cards. A good credit score opens doors to premium credit cards with exclusive rewards programs, travel perks, and other valuable benefits. Negotiating power. A strong credit history gives you leverage when negotiating with lenders. You may be able to secure more favorable loan terms, lower interest rates, or higher credit limits. Section 8. Safeguarding your financial health tips for long-term creditworthiness. Maintaining a good credit score is an ongoing process that requires diligence and responsible financial habits. Monitor your credit report. Regularly review your credit reports from all 3 bureaus to identify any errors or signs of identity theft. You can access free credit reports annually from each bureau. Limit new credit applications. Apply for new credit only when you need it. Each application can result in a hard inquiry, which can temporarily lower your score. Build a positive credit history. If you're new to credit, start by opening a secured credit card or becoming an authorized user on a trusted friend or family member's account. Section 9. The Credit Score Game, Mastering the Rules for Financial Success. Understanding the intricacies of the credit score system is essential for navigating the financial landscape and achieving your financial goals. By adopting responsible financial habits, monitoring your credit report, and leveraging the strategies outlined in this essay, you can unlock the power of a good credit score and pave the way for a brighter financial future. Remember, your credit score is not merely a number, it's a reflection of your financial responsibility and a key to unlocking a world of financial opportunities. Section 9. Recap and final thoughts. Throughout this video, we have delved into the world of credit scores, exploring what constitutes a good credit score, the factors that shape your creditworthiness, strategies for enhancing your score, and actions that could harm it. We've also discussed the perks of having a stellar credit score and shared tips for maintaining long-term creditworthiness. Remember, the information provided here is general in nature and should not replace personalized financial advice. Always consult with a financial advisor to address your specific financial needs and circumstances. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insightful content. Thank you for watching.